Sophia got up and walked to the chair! Yay! And walking back to the chair. Wow! You gonna do it again? Sophia! Come here! Come here, Sophia! What is it, April 16th? Come here! Come here! Come here! There she goes. Come over here! There she goes! Oh! What happened? What happened? You gonna go back down the stair? The chair? No? Alright.